Turn your passion into profit. Making money on Pinterest. Have you ever wondered if your time spent on Pinterest could actually be profitable? Do you love scrolling through Pinterest? Do you find joy in discovering new ideas and inspirations? Do you find yourself pinning recipes, DIY projects, or fashion inspiration? Imagine if those pins could lead to real income. What if you could turn your passion into profit? What if your favorite hobby could become a source of income? You can! Pinterest is more than just a platform for inspiration. It's a gateway to financial opportunities. It's a powerful tool for making money online. With the right strategies, you can turn your pins into profits. Many people are already using Pinterest to earn a significant income. They have discovered the secret to monetizing their boards. They do this through affiliate marketing. This method allows you to earn money by promoting products. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly recommender. You share products you genuinely love and believe in. You share products you love with your followers. Your recommendations can lead to purchases. When they buy through your special link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a huge following to get started. Anyone can do it with the right guidance. This guide will show you how to turn your Pinterest passion into a money-making machine. Step by step, you'll learn the secrets to success. Get ready to unlock the earning potential of Pinterest. Your journey to making money on Pinterest starts now. The power of affiliate marketing. Your guide to earning on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest is easier than you think. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Let's break it down step by step. We'll guide you through the entire process. First, you need to join an affiliate program. This is where you'll get the links to promote products. One of the best programs for beginners is the Amazon Affiliate Program. It's user-friendly and offers a wide range of products. It's free to join, and they have millions of products you can promote. This gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing what to market. Once you're an Amazon affiliate, you can start creating pins that feature products you love. Make sure your pins are visually appealing to attract more clicks. Let's say you love cooking and your Pinterest boards are filled with delicious recipes. This is a great niche to focus on. You could create pins that showcase the kitchen gadgets you use and recommend them to your followers. Authenticity is key here. When someone clicks on your pin and buys that product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The more engaging your pins, the higher the chances of earning. The key is to promote products you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche. This builds trust with your audience and increases your chances of success. Finding your niche. What will you pin about? Choosing the right niche is crucial for your success on Pinterest. It helps you stand out and attract the right audience. Your niche is your area of focus, the main topic you'll be pinning about. It defines your content and guides your strategy. Think about your passions, interests, and what you're knowledgeable about. What topics can you talk about endlessly? Do you love fashion, travel, home decor, or maybe fitness? These are all great niches to consider. Once you have a few ideas, do some research on Pinterest. Look at what others are pinning and see where you can add value. See what's popular, what people are searching for, and what products are in demand. This will help you refine your niche. Some popular and profitable niches include home decor, share your favorite furniture finds, DIY decor ideas, and organizational tips. People love creative and practical home solutions. Fashion and beauty. Showcase your personal style, recommend beauty products, and share fashion inspiration. Help others look and feel their best. Food and recipes. Pin your favorite recipes, cooking hacks, and must-have kitchen gadgets. Everyone loves discovering new dishes to try. Travel. Inspire wanderlust with stunning travel photography, destination guides, and travel essentials. Share your adventures and tips. Personal finance. Share saving tips, budgeting advice, and investment strategies. Help others manage their money wisely and achieve financial freedom. Creating stunning pins, capturing attention and driving sales. Your pins are your storefront on Pinterest, so make them eye-catching. Use high-quality images that are bright, clear, and visually appealing. You can create stunning graphics for free using tools like Canva. Canva offers tons of templates, fonts, and design elements to make your pins pop. When creating your pins, think about what would make someone stop scrolling and click. Use bold and clear text that highlights the benefits of the product you're promoting. Don't forget to include a call to action, encouraging people to shop now, learn more, or get the recipe. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Schedule your pins in advance using a tool like Tailwind. This will help you reach a wider audience and keep your pins active even when you're not online.